So first, you want to open your Spotify and locate the song which you don't want to play. After you locate the song, so let's say I don't want this Chicago freestyle featuring 𝐘𝐨𝐿 to play. So I can, click on the three dot right beside the song name, and then this menu opens up. After this menu opens up, I can click on where it says hide this song. I can click on it, and then this song is hidden. As you guys can see, song hidden in this list. So that's basically how you hide a song. Now to unhide it, you basically need to find the song which you just hide it. So Chicago Freestyle featuring 𝐘𝐨𝐿 is the song which I just hide it. So now I find this song and I can click on this minus button over here. I can click on it and then it's unhidden. I can just click on this three dot and click on hidden where it says, and then it's gonna get unhidden. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can hide and unhide the music on Spotify. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for future videos.